Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix your Feit Floodlight camera playback not working in 2026. Now, playback depends on the recorded footage. So if your Feit Floodlight camera has no storage or full storage, the playback will not work. So you need to first of all check the micro SD card or the cloud plan. If the storage is full, you need to make sure that you delete the footage or format the SD card. If the storage is available but still in your case the playback is failing, then the issue may be with the recording settings. So inside your application, you need to check if the recording option is enabled. Some cameras only record the motion events and not the continuous videos. If no motion was detected, there will be nothing to play back. So inside the Feit Electric application, you need to also refresh your device. For that, you can first of all log out and then simply log back in order to sync your data again. This fixes the playback errors where the videos don't load. Now, playback requires the stable internet connection as well. So if your connection is slow or if it is unstable, the videos may fail to load or buffer endlessly. So you need to make sure that you switch to a stronger Wi-Fi network, or you can also restart your router for better internet speed. So you can try these easy fixes and see if your Feit Floodlight camera playback is working again properly. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.